graduate of Manggabubi Elementary School class of 2009. He continued his studies at Holy Cross of Papa Incorporated and later graduated cum laude with a degree and secondary education major in English from the University of Southeastern Philippines. He is now a college instructor teaching English grammar and communication courses, and he is currently completing his Master of Arts in English Language Teaching. Beyond these achievements, he is someone who believes in the power of learning and communication to change lives. Please join me in welcoming back to his first school, Mr. Patrick Magalona Ariate.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Pwede na po siya yan. Sampung saman. You may now take your seats. To our school's division superintendent, Emma Camporedondo, represented by Education Program Supervisor in English, Charisma Ambrona, School Principal, Lani Tortolas, Barangay officials headed by Barangay Captain Windel Bagbarona, PTA officials headed by PTA President Joseph Brian Bacalso, faculty and staff, visitors, parents, and guardians, and to the class of 2026. Maayong hapon kaninyong tanan, madyaw na ambong kamayo ubos. Marami seryoso lagi sila tayo. To be honest, it gives me mixed emotions speaking to you today. But above all, I am grateful for this opportunity to return to the place where I spent 7 long years and where I first started dreaming, the Manggabubi Elementary School. I miss the campus and the memories I had there, especially the old stage where we sang. Pag-ready mo gamay. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight. But the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. Makanta man noon yan, maminaw ko. Before I proceed with the rest of my message today, I would like to thank all the teachers I had back then. Most of them are not here, but each of them left a mark on me. To Sir Judenis Sicularis, nga gihatod ko sa amo atong gikabuhi ko maayo. To my grade 6 teacher, my dear auntie, Ma'am Rovelia Alcohol, for inspiring me to develop more love for learning. And I'm happy that my classmate, Ma'am Ashunarami Lopez, is a teacher here. Di ko kalimot, magdula tag paper daw sa una. Dula ng paper daw. 17 years ago, I led the class of 2009 in our Pledge of Loyalty. When the invitation to speak at your graduation finally came, I just couldn't say no. I've been living low-key since then, but the Pledge of Loyalty pushed me to do this. Abi palang di loyal. More importantly, the invitation came from my grade 6 teacher, akong auntie. Makabaliban di ay ko. Basta akong grade 6 teacher, kurog jud ko. This year's graduation theme is Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character. I will break the theme into parts and share my thoughts on each element. The first element is Filipino graduates. Let me ask you, are you proud to be Filipino? Sure? Even if we sometimes feel doubt, we must remember that no country is perfect, and we are more than our shortcomings. What matters is who we choose to become. Next is prepare to lead. Graduates, you are our future leaders. While you deserve to enjoy being young, you also have the potential to lead. When that time comes, do not be passive. Have the courage to step up and speak up. Everyone, let us remember that it takes a village to educate a child. So as a community, we must work together to guide and prepare these promising children for the future. The third element is competence. Mausisa na bata. This remark on my report card from 20 years ago is still vivid to me. I remember asking my grade 2 teacher, Ma'am Clarissa Valera, ambot ko na ba si Ma'am Valera, about the facts posted in the learning areas. Maybe that was the reason she wrote Mausisa na bata on my report card. The word mausisa, which translates to inquisitive in English, described me well. Being thirsty for knowledge, I was always asking questions, wondering why things happen and wanting to learn more. My curiosity did not only help me inside the classroom, it also opened many learning experiences outside of it. Being inquisitive taught me how to find answers, solve problems, and develop my skills. Because I stayed curious and kept learning, I explored many opportunities as a student, joining clubs and extracurricular activities from elementary to college. One of my most meaningful experiences was campus journalism, which allowed me not only to write and compete, but also to inform, inspire, and make a difference. As a campus journalist, being mausisa helped me develop attention to detail and become more efficient in both school and work. Makaingon ko nga, naggamit rasad akong pagkakulit o pagkatabian. Curiosity helped me build knowledge, skills, and confidence that eventually led me to become a teacher. So graduates, never stop being curious. Keep asking the right questions and continue learning as you grow. Engage in investigatory projects and research. Pero murag mahadlok ang mga kabatalunan karon sa research. But we should develop our love for research. And use artificial intelligence or AI ethically and responsibly. Sharpen your communication skills, both in writing and speaking, because the ability to express your thoughts clearly and effectively is invaluable. Strive to become persuasive communicators who can inspire, influence, and make a positive impact on others. Last but not least is character. Malikot sa klase. This is another remark I had on my report card back in grade 3. I remember Ma'am Lucila Sipada pinching and pulling the hair near my ear when I was being restless. Gilunit akong buhok sa may dalunggan kay kiatman. That memory may sound a bit harsh, but it surely instilled discipline in me. That experience taught me an important lesson. Being playful or mischievous is normal, especially in your age, but we must always try to make the right choices. A person's credibility and competence is not based only on credentials, titles, or expertise. It also includes goodwill and character. Good character means thinking before you act and being responsible for what you do. Every day, you have chances to show honesty, kindness, and fairness, even in small things like listening in class, helping a friend, or telling the truth. And brace yourselves for the next things I would say. Corruption can begin with small things like cheating in class or lying to get what you want. So, practice honesty even in simple situations. These small choices build your character and help you become someone others can trust and respect. I am still learning these values myself, and I know that doing what is right is not always easy. Making mistakes is part of learning. What matters is that you grow from them and keep choosing honesty and good character in school, at home, and with others. In the end, people are drawn not only to what you know, but also to who you are. As the saying goes, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Personally, character is something I continue to work on every day. While achievements and titles can make us competent, it is good character that makes people trust us. One day, you will become leaders and professionals. So use your talents to help others and begin now by being truthful, fair, and responsible. Remember, motivation may help you start, but discipline is what keeps you going. It is what allows you to show up, persevere through challenges, and turn your efforts into excellence. Now, I have a question. Mambagubi Elementary School graduates, will you be prepared to lead with competence and character? Will you? A big yes, of course. This is me, the mausisa na bata and the malikot sa klase, reminding all of you that every question you ask, every honest choice you make, and every kind act you do is a step toward becoming the leaders our country needs. You, each of you are the seeds of competence and character. And the choices you make today will grow into the strength and wisdom you carry tomorrow. Go forward with courage, curiosity, and integrity, because Filipino graduates like you are ready to lead not just with knowledge, but with heart. And shout me with these lines. Mabuhay ang bansang makabata, mabuhay ang batang makabansa. Thank you so much and congratulations.